Now I'm going to go ahead and fill up this small chiseled gap. So firstly, I've applied a mixture of PVA glue and water. Brush it all around the treatment area. Now since I got small gaps that needs filling around the home, I've got myself a small tub of ready mix plaster. It's all-in-one ready mix plaster ready to be applied. Alternatively, you can also use bonding 60 for small and big jobs, and then after you can apply a skim coat. Simply apply the area using a filling knife or a trowel. Make sure to gently apply the filler mixture within the gaps, then scrape off the excess and reapply again until you're happy with the setting. Make sure to use the tool in different directions so the filler can bond evenly around the area. Guys, even if it's your first time, don't be scared of trying, as it's super simple once you get the hang of it. So basically all you're doing is applying the mixture like this, depending how deep the area is, and then scraping off and reapplying until you're happy with the setting. Different plaster mixtures have different drying times, in between 30 minutes to 1 hour. Now for a drilled hole like this, I've applied plaster filler using a cork gun. Now I got myself a fine surface filler. This will help smooth out any imperfections and give a smooth skim coat. This filler treats all kinds of imperfections on the walls and ceilings.
I'm gonna put this on there. Actually, may just install it this way since it's gonna probably give it a little bit of angle towards.
So finally, I've applied the surface fine filler. Once you're happy with the layout of the wall, you can go ahead and sand, and then you can paint over it. If you come across holes in the walls that needs to get filled up, give it a try guys. Take care, peace.